Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to do the wedgie. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Woo! Ta-da! Right, okay, so first things first, grab hold of your hoop. You're going to place it in front of you. So I'm putting it in front of my right leg. I'm then going to take my left leg and I'm just going to pop it over the front and then pop my toes just underneath so they're like curling out underneath it. You're going to make sure that your thighs are quite tight together, so like squeeze on in. And then what you're going to do with the hoop, this is what I do anyway, I kind of bring it back and then I'll give it an extra little push on the way up so that it creates some energy. And then you're going to swing your legs from side to side. So you're just going twist, 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 twist. Let me show you. So give it a bit of welly, twist, 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 twist. From the back, I'll show you, it kind of hits your back. Let me show you from here. It's just hitting your back. You see that? Okay. So just make sure that your legs are really tight together and you're literally just going twist, 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 twist. It'll take a little bit of time to get used to, but don't worry, keep on practicing. And then if you want to add a little bit to the end, once you've done your wedgie, you can then, as the hoop is coming behind you, let me kind of show you this. As the hoop comes behind you, you can lift your right foot up and the hoop's going to kind of like twist up. You can catch it with your right hand and then bring it out to the side. Let me do it again. I might like slow the video down and then I can do it in slow-mo and you can see what is actually going on. So let me just do it again. Here we go. We're twisting, doing the wedgie. And then, oops, out. All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed that and I wish you every success with your wedgie.